Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Boost podcast, where learning English is simple, fun, and actually useful in real life.
That's right. And today we're taking you on a trip, literally. We'll teach you how to speak English confidently when you travel. At the airport, in the hotel, and even in a taxi.
Exactly, because when you travel, English becomes your best travel partner.
Unless your travel partner is Alex. In that case, you might need more luck than English.
Hey, I'm a great travel buddy. I know how to say, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" in 10 languages.
Okay, let's get started. Let's begin with the airport. The place where every journey starts. And sometimes, where English panic starts too.
True, so what's the first thing you do at the airport? You check in. Here's an example. Hello, I'd like to check in for my flight to London.
And the staff might ask, "Can I see your passport, please?" Or, "Do you have any luggage to check in?"
You can reply, "Yes, just one suitcase." Or if you're traveling light, say, "No, just hand luggage."
And don't forget these polite phrases. "Could you please tell me the gate number?" "What time does boarding start?"
I love that. Simple, polite, and confident. Now let's move to security and boarding.
Right. When you reach the gate, you can say, "Is this the line for flight BA112? Or if you're not sure, "Excuse me, is this the right gate for New York?"
Those small sentences show confidence and save you from running to the wrong gate.
Now you've landed safely. Time to check in at the hotel. You walk up to the front desk and say, "Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Emily Brown."
Or if you don't have a booking, you can ask, "Do you have any rooms available for tonight?"
Here are a few more useful hotel phrases. "What time is breakfast served?" Or, "Could I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m., please?"
That's a good one. You can also say, "Could you send someone to help with my luggage?" Very polite and useful.
Oh, and if something's wrong with your room, don't panic. Just say, "Excuse me, the air conditioner isn't working." Or, "The Wi-Fi signal is weak."
Nicely said. Always be polite, not angry. Polite English works like magic when you travel.
Now let's talk about taxis or ride apps like Uber. You can say, "Could you please take me to the Grand Plaza Hotel?"
Or, "How long will it take to get there?" And if you want to sound more natural, say, "Is there a faster route?" Or, "Could you turn on the air conditioner, please?"
Perfect. And don't forget small talk. Drivers love it. You can ask, "How's traffic today?" Or, "Do you drive here every day?"
That's how you sound friendly and confident at the same time.
Okay, quick travel English tip. When you're traveling, try to think in short English phrases, not in your native language.
Yes, for example, instead of translating, "Where is my boarding pass?" from your language, just remember it as one English chunk. That's called chunk learning, and it helps you speak faster and naturally.
Exactly. Because when you travel, you don't have time to think word by word. You just speak.
So there you go, airport, hotel, and taxi English all in one lesson.
Now you can travel anywhere with confidence and maybe even help someone else who's lost.
If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to hit that like button and share it with your travel-loving friends.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun English conversations with us every week. See you in the next episode, and safe travels.